I'm just glad this video worked. I just needed a video to work. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today you're in for a warm, sweet treat. We're gonna make vegan hot chocolate. Let's get started. Okay, actually before we get started, I wanna explain the delay in uploads, guys. This video was supposed to be up 3 days ago, and it wasn't gonna be on hot chocolate. It was supposed to be fried green tomatoes and blooming onions. I experimented for 2 days with recipes, and I burnt both of them.
Both of them.
Here's the onion. It doesn't look that bad, but the inside was still gooey. And then here's the tomatoes. Yep. So
I came to the conclusion that I'm not a very good fryer, y'all.
and I know y'all screaming air fryer. I don't want it. I don't fry enough to spend $100 on an air fryer. Now, if a company want to send me one, ThatChocolateVegan@gmail.com. Thank you. All right, let's get started for real on the hot chocolate. All right. Okay guys, my stove is on low. I'm gonna add in a half a cup of sugar, half a cup of vegan chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which is all I have left, so this recipe better work. No, really, that's all I have left. I'm gonna let that incorporate for a second before we add our nut milk. Ew, nut milk, that sounds gross. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. As you see, our chocolate is starting to melt. So let's slowly incorporate our milk. I'm gonna give this a little taste to make sure it's okay. It's a family channel, I'm just joking. Just hot chocolate. Okay. Ooh. It's still a little rich for me, so I'm gonna add a little half a cup of milk. Don't mind this grease, that's from the failed tomatoes and onions. All right, we are ready. Soon as I put it on medium, by the way guys, I don't know if I said it, I turned it right back off because I didn't want anything to burn. So basically as soon as it got hot, I turned it off. Ooh, perfect cup of hot chocolate. Ooh, see how easily it can burn if you don't take it out? Now what is hot chocolate without marshmallows? Nothing. Ooh, it's going all the way to the bottom. I need y'all to come to the top. There we go. There we go, just, ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at it. Okay guys, here it is. It is warm. Off camera, I sprinkle a little bit cinnamon on top. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably saw it in the thumbnail in this video, okay? So here's our moment of truth. I already know this is good. Then we done put the marshmallows in there too. This is hot. Ooh, it's hot. That is so rich. You can honestly add another cup of milk to this because that is still so rich. I guess the sugar that has melted from the marshmallows got into here too. Lord, I feel like I'm drinking a chocolate bar. Okay, but it's too rich for me. Oh, that's too rich. Oh my gosh, like I said, you definitely could add some more milk to it, but this is all to taste. A sugar lover might be like, ah, but I'm pretty sure I can give this to a kid and they'll be in heaven. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's, This video was pretty short, guys, so I would like to extend an invitation to ask me any question you'd like to know down below, and I'll answer them on my next video. Do you want to know where I'm from, why I became vegan? You have a suggestion on what I should cook next? Anything that you want to ask me, please leave it in a comment down below. Leave a comment about this video. I just want to hear from you guys. So till next time, make sure you like, subscribe. Wait. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.